Now, if something isn't working the way you expect, or if you want to make any changes to your app in the future, here's how you do it. First, go back over to Google AI Studio and close out of this. Click on Dashboard, click on Apps, then click into the app that you just deployed right here. And then here, you'll just make your changes or tell AI Studio what needs to be fixed, and then just save it to GitHub. Hostinger is connected to your GitHub, so it'll automatically pick up the update and redeploy your app. You don't have to touch anything on the Hostinger side. You make the change in AI Studio, push it to GitHub, and it shows up on your live site. So for example here, I could make a small change. I'll say, make the red color in the admin panel green instead. So we'll just do a small design change like that right here. I'll go ahead and send this change. And then we're going to let AI Studio work for a minute to change out the colors. And now here in the preview mode, you can see that it's now green. To push this update to our actual live deployment, go to the top right and click on the settings. Click on the arrow. Then click on GitHub. Then we'll scroll down to the bottom. Click on Stage and Commit All Changes. And then your changes will be uploaded to GitHub. And then after that, switch back over to your web app. And then refresh the page. And then as you can see right here, Hostinger automatically redeployed your app with those updated changes. And one small detail you'll notice here at the top is the actual site name. This right here is the default name. Every Google AI Studio web app gets this name. To fix that and update your site title, you would do the exact same thing. You'd switch back over to AI Studio and request the change. And then you would commit that change to GitHub. You'll use the workflow I just showed you to make any changes or troubleshoot.